Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy. I am an independent consultant for Close to My Heart, and today I thought I'd put together a scrapbook layout using the Bring Back My Pack brushed collection. So I'm going to be using some of these stickers here. Aren't they nice bright colours? We've got some candy apple, pixie, canary and lagoon. Lots of bright colours in here. Alright, so let's get going and create a page layout. Now I have already pre-cut some of the pieces out. This one I have actually already pre-cut, and what I did was I took off 1.5 inches off the bottom of a 12 by 12 and 1.5 inches off the side of the 12 by 12, and then I cut out 3.25 square out of here and here. Alright, let's stick it down. Now you'll see the reason why I've done this shape in a moment. Okay, now I've also got some 3x3 photo placeholders here. So I'm going to pop one here. And then I've also got a piece of the brushed paper. It's this on the black side, but I'm going to use the flowery side. And this is a 4x4 square. I'm going to put a title on there. Alright, and then I've also got these pieces are 1 inch by 3 inch, and they are going to go here and here. And then I've got some green apple, and these again are 1 inch by 3 inch, and they're going to be my journaling pieces. So this is the reason why I've made this shape. It all makes sense once all of it comes together. Alright, but let's stick these bits down. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. So I'll just tilt you up a little bit. There you go. So it's got, now we'll continue on. So I'm going to put a title here, and I'm going to use this one here, Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful. There we go. And I'm also going to use these two here, this one and this one, so that I can write my journaling on there. And then we'll put them on there. 1 and 2. Alright, now I've also got some flowers that I have already pre-stamped a load, but I'm going to do one and show you how I achieve that. Okay, so we're going to move this out the way. And I'm doing the rock and roll technique. So you'll need to stamp all of the flower up in your lightest colour first, and then we bring in the candy apple and we just roll the edges. So it's a rolling technique. Rock and roll, rolly roll. We stamp it down on our page. So there, if you have a look there, the tips of this flower have got red on them. We were going to continue on with that because that's not quite finished. We'll bring in canary, and we're going to do the centre of the flower. Alright, and now we've just got to do the black bit on it. Got this one. Now what I like to do before I stamp it is make sure I know where I'm going to be stamping it, because you're going to want to look for things that, because they do match up, you just got to find it. So now we'll bring it in my black. There we go, there's our flower, and it has some red tips to it. Okay, so that's one flower. Now I'll show you how to do the other little flower that I've got here, which is this one. Now I need this one, this stamp. And there you have it. There's our flower. Okay, so I also stamped some leaves with the same technique. So I've got some green ones there. Oh, come on, focus. Same sort of technique. So here, same sort of technique, but I used candy and green apple on those ones. So yeah. Now, I have also used this stamp set for the butterflies. So I've stamped some of these to pop on our page too. Same sort of technique as well. So this one is a solid stamp, and then you can put this one over the top. Alright, so let's bring back in our layout. And the here and here is where we're going to pop our flowers. Alright, so that's one side that we've done. We're going to do this side up here now. So I might just turn it around so that we can work on it that way. Alright, so we're going to do the same sort of thing. So I've got a flower, and we've got some leaves. This flower I might pop up this time so it's not the same as this one. So, to continue on, we've got some butterflies here that we might add on to. Alright, now I've also got my shimmer brush here. So it's the clear one, so we'll just add a little bit of shine to some things. So maybe we'll add it to the butterflies. Okay, so I think we're going to add some gold glitter gems. That is our layout. So let me bring you out so you can see it properly. That is our finished layout. Here we go. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed seeing this layout. If you did, could you give it a thumbs up? And if you haven't already done so, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Okay, I'm going to end the video here. But before I do, add a little sparkle to your day. Alright, bye.